Hey everybody, Farm Hacker here, and today I want to talk to you about my Red Dragon BP 2512 weed torch. I've had this weed torch for several years now, and it is a great tool to have either at your home or on your farm, or if you're doing backyard gardening even. It's a great tool for organic gardening or just organic weed removal. And so I have come to value this thing because I find it to be the best alternative to using synthetic pesticides when I just want to get rid of weeds. And so what I'm going to do is I want to show you how it works here. And if you want to get one of these, you can find them on Amazon, and I'll link to them in the description of the video. So anyway, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect this to just a standard propane tank. And it's very simple. You just insert this here into the propane tank and you screw this in. And once it gets hand tight, you can take a wrench and you can just tighten it up a little bit more. It doesn't have to be real tight, honestly. It's just enough to create that seal there so propane's not leaking out. So there we go. And then you're just going to turn the propane tank on like that. And then we're ready to light it. So in order to light it, what you're going to do is you're going to turn this knob here just barely until you hear just a tiny amount of propane coming out. And then you're going to take your igniter and you're going to go like this. And so if you did it correctly, it's going to be just enough so the flame doesn't go out. And so if you're ready to start torching weeds, what you do is there is a trigger here that you're going to pull when you've aimed it at the weeds. So I'm going to go like this. And that's really it. And that's enough to kill these weeds off. And so when you're all done, all you have to do is turn this knob to the off position and the flame will go out. And there you go. So now you're ready to store it away until next time.